Now you can also calculate average oxidation number of sulfur is equals to 6 plus minus 2 by 2 is equals to plus 2. A special example of oxidation state. In order to determine the exact or individual oxidation number, we need to take help of the structure of the molecule. Some special cases are discussed as follow. First, the structure of CrO5. It is also called butterfly structure. For from the structure, it is evident that in CrO5 there are two peroxide linkage and one double bond. The contribution of the each peroxide linkage is -1. Let oxidation number of Cr is x. X is equals to x plus -1 into 4 plus minus 2 is equals to 0, or x is equals to 6. Oxidation number of Cr is equals to plus 6. This is the answer. Next, structure of H2SO5 is this: SOOH. From the structure, it is evident that in H2O5 there is a peroxide linkage, 2 sulfur oxygen double bond, and 1 OH group. Let the oxidation number of sulfur is equals to x plus 1 plus -1 into 2 plus x plus -2 into 2 plus -2 plus 1 is equals to 0, or x plus 2 minus 8 is equals to 0, or x minus 6 is equals to 0, or x is equals to 6. Next, oxidation number of sulfur is H2SO5, that is 6. Paradox of fractional oxidation number. Fractional oxidation number is the average of the oxidation state of all atoms of the element under examination, and structural parameter reveal that atom of element for whom fractional oxidation state is determined is actually present in different oxidation state. The structure of the species C3O2, Br3O8 and S4O6 2- reveal the following bonding situations. The element marked with asterisk, that is star, in the each species is exhibiting different oxidation number from rest of the atom of the same carbon atom are present in same element in each of the species. This reveals that in C3O2 two carbon atoms are present in +2 oxidation state, each whereas the third one is present in 0 oxidation state, and the average is +4/3. Okay, however, the realistic picture is +2 for 2 terminal carbon and 0 for middle carbon, that is oxygen double bond C2 plus double bond C 0 star is equals to that double bond C plus 2 double bond O. Structure of C3O2, that is carbon suboxide. Likewise, in Br2O3, Br3O8, each of the two terminal bromine atom are present in +6 oxidation state, and the middle bromine is present in +4 oxidation state. Once again, the average that is different from reality is +16/3. Next, Br. Okay, this structure of Br3O6 or Br3O8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is Br3O8. Tribromotaxide. In the species S4O6 2-, average oxidation number of sulfur is +2.5, whereas the reality being +5000, and plus 5 oxidation number respectively for respective sulfur atoms. Sulfur of S4O6 2 minus tetrathionate ion. In general, the conclusion is that the idea of fractional oxidation state should be taken with care, and the reality is revealed by the structure only. Application of oxidation number. To compare the strength of the acidic strength, that is, strength of acid is directly proportional to oxidation number, strength of base is inversely proportional to oxidation number. Okay, acid is directly proportional, base is inversely proportional. Example, order of the acidic strength in HClO, that is HClO2, HClO3, HClO4 will be then oxidation